Gout causes and treatment. Before a person can understand gout, they must first understand a condition called hyperuricemia, a condition that occurs when uric acid in the bloodstream rises excessively. Purines are naturally occurring chemicals in the body and also enter the body from food sources like organ meat, mushrooms, and asparagus. When purines are broken down in the body, it produces uric acid. In most humans, uric acid is dissolved and excreted through the kidneys. However, if the body makes too much uric acid or the kidneys fail to excrete sufficient amounts of it, then it accumulates and results in needle-like sharp urate crystals. These crystals pile up in tissues, especially in the synovial joint fluid and the synovial joint lining. The immune system reacts by engulfing the uric acid crystals with white blood cells. The pain, swelling, and inflammation that results is known as gout. Gout symptoms include a sudden onset of intense swelling and burning pain in the affected joint, heat, redness, and extreme tenderness to touch over the affected joint stiffness, attacks that usually occur at night, attacks that may follow a stressful event, presence of separate illness, or after drug and alcohol usage, and attacks that may be longer in duration and more frequently occurring as gout progresses. Acute stage symptoms are characterized by swelling, redness, pain, and possibly a local sensation of heat, indicating inflammation. If coolness makes your pain feel better, then the acute stage treatment is recommended. Apply the sinew herbal ice on your arthritic area to reduce redness, swelling, and inflammation while dispersing accumulated blood and fluids to help restore normal circulation to the arthritic area. This first aid treatment is used in place of ice to significantly speed up the healing process. It reduces the swelling and inflammation more effectively than ice, allowing you to more quickly regain range of motion. Ice is not recommended because it does not help repair damaged tissues and keeps everything in the injured area frozen, causing the stagnation of blood and fluids and the contraction of muscles, tendons, and ligaments. In Chinese sports medicine, ice is not used and is considered a culprit in injuries that don't heal well. Massage your arthritic area with acute sinew liniments to relieve pain, reduce swelling and inflammation, break up clotted blood and stagnant fluids, and stimulate circulation of blood and fluids to help cells quickly repair damaged tissues. The Sinew Sports Massage Oil is recommended for use before and after exercise, sports, and strenuous activity. It warms and stimulates your muscles, increases circulation, and relieves tightness, hence improving your performance and helping to prevent injury. Chronic stage symptoms begin once the swelling and inflammation are gone, but you still feel pain, stiffness, weakness, and/or sensitivity in cold and damp weather. If heat makes your pain feel better, then the chronic stage treatment is recommended. Massage your arthritic area with chronic sinew liniments to relieve pain and stiffness, strongly stimulate circulation and blood flow to damaged tissues, and promote the healing of overstretched tendons and ligaments. Apply the sinew injury poultice on your arthritic area to significantly stimulate circulation and blood flow to damaged tissues, relieve residual pain and stiffness, and further promote the healing of overstretched tendons and ligaments. Soak your arthritic area with the sinew warming soak to bring warmth into the arthritic area to drive coldness out of damaged tissues, increase local circulation, ease joint pain, and increase range of motion. The sinew warming soak is particularly useful if your arthritic area is more painful and sensitive to cold or hurts more in cold weather. The soak can be used by saturating a towel in the liquid and applying it to your arthritic area. The Sinew Sports Massage Oil is recommended for use before and after exercise, sports, and strenuous activity. It warms and stimulates your muscles, increases circulation, and relieves tightness, hence improving your performance and helping to prevent injury. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. To learn more, visit sinewtherapeutics.com.